In the increasingly diverse telecommunications market, companies offer various approaches to mobile service. Among them is Patriot Mobile, a provider that has garnered attention not only for its wireless plans, but also for its distinct mission and values. For those looking to understand the operational side of such a service, the question, "How does Patriot Mobile work?" is a fundamental one. As someone familiar with the intricacies of project delivery and business models in various sectors, let's break down the mechanics of Patriot Mobile in simple terms. At its core, Patriot Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO. This is the most crucial piece of information for understanding how they deliver service. To clarify, let's first consider the traditional model of mobile networks. The foundation: major network carriers. Large telecommunication companies like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the United States, where Patriot Mobile primarily operates, own and maintain vast, expensive infrastructure. This includes cell towers, spectrum licenses, which are like invisible airwaves for transmitting signals, and complex network equipment. These companies invest billions of dollars to build and expand these networks, which are the backbone of mobile communication. The MVNO model, a clever reseller. An MVNO, like Patriot Mobile, does not own this infrastructure. Instead, it enters into agreements with one or more of these major network carriers to purchase access to their networks at wholesale rates. Think of it like a grocery store buying produce from a farm. The grocery store doesn't own the farm, but it buys the produce in bulk and then resells it to individual customers under its own brand. This is precisely how Patriot Mobile works. They leverage the existing extensive networks of all three major U.S. carriers: Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. This is a significant advantage, as it allows them to offer wide-ranging coverage across the United States. Many MVNOs only partner with one or two major networks, so having access to all three generally means more reliable service in more locations. If you experience service issues on one network, Patriot Mobile claims it can switch you to another available network, aiming to provide consistent coverage. What does this mean for the end user? For you, the customer, this MVNO model translates to several key aspects. Network coverage. When you use Patriot Mobile, you're essentially using the same cell towers and network infrastructure as customers of Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. This means your coverage and call quality will generally be comparable to what you would experience directly with those major carriers in your specific location. Patriot Mobile emphasizes its coverage guarantee due to its access to all three networks. Plans and pricing. Patriot Mobile creates its own mobile plans with varying data allotments, unlimited talk and text, and other features. Because they acquire network access at wholesale rates, they can often offer plans at competitive prices compared to the major carriers. They often have different pricing tiers based on data usage, and sometimes offer multi-line discounts. SIM cards and devices. When you sign up for Patriot Mobile, you'll receive a Patriot Mobile branded SIM card. This SIM card is provisioned to work on one of the underlying major networks. You can often bring your own compatible phone, BYOD, bring your own device, or purchase a new phone directly from Patriot Mobile. The compatibility of your existing phone will depend on whether it works with the network assigned to your Patriot Mobile service. Customer service. Your customer service interactions will be directly with Patriot Mobile, not the underlying network carrier. Patriot Mobile highlights its 100% US-based customer support, which is a selling point for many customers. Billing. You receive a bill from Patriot Mobile for your service, which includes the plan cost, taxes, and any applicable fees like activation fees or SIM card costs. The Patriot Mobile distinction: values-driven service. Beyond the technical MVNO model, Patriot Mobile differentiates itself through its strong alignment with specific values. They openly identify as America's only Christian conservative wireless provider. This isn't just marketing. It's central to their business model. A significant part of how Patriot Mobile works involves their commitment to donating a portion of every dollar earned to organizations that support conservative and Christian causes. These causes often include First Amendment rights, freedom of speech, religious freedom; Second Amendment rights, right to bear arms; sanctity of life, pro-life initiatives; support for military personnel, veterans, and first responders; For customers who share these values, choosing Patriot Mobile becomes a way to align their spending with their beliefs, a concept often referred to as voting with your wallet in the red economy. This ideological component is a primary driver for many of their subscribers and plays a significant role in their brand identity and marketing. Project management considerations for an MVNO. From a project management perspective, running an MVNO like Patriot Mobile involves several key operational projects. Network partnership management, continuously managing relationships and contracts with the underlying major carriers. This involves negotiating wholesale rates, ensuring quality of service, and adapting to technological changes from the carriers, e.g., 5G rollouts. Customer acquisition and retention, developing marketing campaigns, managing sales channels, and creating customer loyalty programs. This is where their values-driven approach plays a significant role in targeting a specific customer segment. Billing and financial operations, ensuring accurate billing, efficient payment processing, and managing the financial flow, including the charitable donations. Customer support operations, establishing and maintaining a responsive, efficient customer service team, as this is the primary direct interaction point with customers. Product development and enhancement. While they don't own the network, they do manage their own plans, features like Wi-Fi calling, hotspot, and potentially even offer their own branded devices or services, like the Up phone, with its unique operating system. Compliance and legal, navigating the complex regulatory landscape of telecommunications and ensuring all operations, particularly those related to charitable giving and marketing claims, are compliant.